Hello guys, I am Amit. In this video, I will help you to solve the problem of the Philips TAT1215 earbuds. I have this device. This is the TAT1215 earbud from Philips. These are the two earbuds in it. First you need to do, you just put off these two earbuds from this case and then put them again in this case. After that, you just press the button of these two earbuds for 5 to 10 seconds in this way. After doing this, you will able to connect this device with your smartphone and they will pairing with each other and it will work smoothly. So if you find this video is helpful to you, please press the like button. Also subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video and giving your precious time. Meet you in the next one very soon. Thank you again for giving your time.